Right, we're back. I'm going to do some more of the baubles. So this is bauble number 3. Right, now I think I'm just going to do like an oval one this time, I think. Like that. More like a, let me just see, let's shake this. There we go. Well, an eye shape, that'll do, a traditional one. And again, we're just going to use some of the foamy bits. I'm not sure if that will, yeah, that'll be fine with that one. And I just want a little bit more for the other side, which I think I've got some here. I will use this bit, just a bit better piece, like that. And then we're just going to do that again. Never waste the bits you cut off though, they all go for filling. So I have my glue gun's ready, hopefully. Right, while that's just heating up a little bit more, I've got some little flowers and some more bits and pieces. We've got the lace to put on for the hanger. I've got this, which I'm going to use today for this one. And I've got some more of the edging, which I've got here as well, so I can use that as well. And then we're gonna, maybe if I've got enough of this, let me just see, it has to fit. Yeah, that'll fit that, so we can use that. We're gonna use that, oops, sorry, gonna use that edging, and maybe that one. And then I've got this. This is an edging from a doily, don't waste that. So I'm going to use these bits that I've just cut out, and we'll probably hang them from the bottom section, something, might fold them over. Yeah, something like that. We'll see, they're cut ready. Right. So, hopefully, the glue gun's ready. Let me just flip that over. Press that down. I'll cut that first. Because these can be any shape you want them to be. Just keep that for later. Like that. Press that down. My hands were killing me last night after doing this. I'm gonna have to figure out something. Right, so we've got that. Now I need the cotton again, which I'm going to cut a piece. I mean, if you haven't got this cotton, and just buy an old sheet. Get a second-hand sheet or something from a charity shop. They work just as well. They really do, and I'm going to use that picture, I think. So, let's have a look. Yes, that'll do like that. So what I'm going to do What's that? Yeah, quite happy with that. See, now I could hang that like that as a bauble, but I'm not going to because I'm going to put that on it. So, I'm going to do the dangle, the hanger section. And again, we just take a strip, wrap one end over the other, and if you do it like that, you've got enough to put on your trim there on the bauble itself, and then when you put the back piece on, it will cover that. So what we're going to do for the back piece, now I do have another one of these which I need, I like to use them, but then I've got that, so we're going to use this instead. Okie dokie, right, just to make a nice back plate on it. And do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take that off, I think. Let me just see if I can unpick that. I've heard so many times how people are afraid to chop up doilies and that, and I just say, get on with it. Don't mess about, don't hassle with it, do it. Right, okay, so I'm just going to put a dab of glue here. This is how I even mine out. Let's have a look. So we put that there. I'm going to put a dab of glue here. That's all you need, just a dab. That's about even. Turn it around. Put a dab of glue on the side. So you're doing 12, 3, 6 and 9. Like that. And then, so I can't stand it if it's not levelled out. And then what we do is we can push that down and just give it a little tuck in each place, look, and it just lays how you want it to lay, and it makes a really nice fringing area, well, edging. Like that. Like that, that's fine. Got glue everywhere. Look, bring that in, that's it. And I'm going to do another layer. Now, no, I don't want that one I've just cut off. Let me just see. I did want that, didn't I? Will that go around? No. Right, okay. Let's find another edge. Oh, I've got a nice one here, but, oh, mind you, it's a little bit big, so no. Right, that's fine. I'm going to use a different lace, I think. Let me just see. I've got this little lace. This will do nicely. It's one of my old favourites, this. Just trim that off. So we're just going to start here. Oh, glue, Fiona. Oops, that's the wrong one, I think. That's it. And you can still see all 3 layers. Oh, that's lovely. That's really pretty, look. Perfect. Just going to pop that on there, I think, right on the edge. Like that. Right, I'm just going to cut this because I don't like to bend them here, right on the end. I don't mind overlapping them. Sometimes I'll do it. Depends what fabric or material I'm using at the time. That's alright. I hope you can see this. That's really pretty. Now I do like that. Okay, so that's the top. Let me just see, because I still need, yeah, I still need something for that. Now, let me, no, I'm determined not to use that. I've got another one of those doilies. Where's that gone? Where did I put that other one? I like that as well. Oh, well, I like that one. No. Wait a minute, I'll figure it out. Oh, I've got it here. See, I've got another one of those. So what I'm going to do is just to glue that one on and then cut around it what I don't need. Right, well, this is what I need. One of those, you know, one of those that stops it sticking to your fingers. They're like a little palette thing, aren't they? I can never find them. So if anybody can point me in the right direction or donate one, if you've a spare one, I would appreciate it. I know I'm cheeky. I'm not often. But I've been looking for them and I don't even know what they're called. There we go. Okay, so I'm just going to chop into that to start with. And then just cut around there. Like that. Well, that's my stomach rumbling. Oh, that looks pretty, doesn't it? That looks really nice. Yeah. Don't waste that. I do like that, look. Isn't that nice? So, where's my picture gone? We need that on there. Like that. I'm going to put that in the middle. Oh, that's lovely. Look. And then what I've got is the same. I'm going to use the same trim again around the edge of that, I think. I really want this shabby. I mean, it is already. Like that. Yes, I like that. So now what we have to do is to find a little doily to make a flower with. Let's have a look. Oh, I've got some pretty ones here. There's a couple of those. One of those. Let's see if we can get a different colour. Let's see what we can do with this. Oops. Now, I've got these, which I can overlap. I'm not sure if I want to do. Let me just see. Overlap like that. Not sure. Wait a minute. Got this one as like a double flower. So I'm going to put that one on, I think. Because I do like that one. And we're going to... I think we'll just add that. No. Oh, no, there. We'll add it there. To that. Lift that lace up. Now, I need something pretty to go on that. Okay, so I'm just going to put this little flower on there. Like that. Now, I did have one of these left, so I'm going to add that underneath. Underneath there. Like that. Oops, pull that across. That's it. Just give it a little fancy bit there. And I think what I'm going to put on here... Now, where's the leaves? That's, oh, I have a little bow somewhere. Let me put a little bow on. Because I don't think you need to take away from the work you've just put into it. So you don't need much. And I'm just going to pop, should I say, that on there. And I think that looks gorgeous. Very simple and very easy to make. I like that. See? So that's another one. So that's bauble number 3.